This video will demonstrate how to use Belzona 1818 for equipment repair and protection. First, we'll demonstrate how to repair and replace missing alumina tiles. Using a handheld surface preparation tool, thoroughly abrade the metal and tile edges for proper adhesion. To mix Belzona 1818, empty the entire contents of the base and solidifier modules onto the Belzona working surface. Using a spatula, mix the two components together in a figure of 8 motion until a uniform material is achieved. Apply firmly using an applicator, pressing down to fill all cracks and remove entrapped air. Smoothly contour the product to the correct profile. It should finish flush with the surrounding surface. Excess material around the edges of the application and tools used to apply the product can be easily cleaned using Belzona 9111 Cleaner Degreaser and a cloth, ensuring a neat edge. The application is now complete. Belzona 1818 can also be applied to a chute as an abrasion-resistant lining. Once the chute is clean, a handheld power tool should be used to prepare the surface. Clean again and use Belzona 9111 Cleaner Degreaser. The product can then be firmly applied directly onto the metal substrate using an applicator, completing the application. This fast curing system ensures a speedy return to service. The product can experience full mechanical loading as little as 2 hours after application. It can be applied directly onto manually prepared wet and oily surfaces and even underwater. Belzona 1818 is a surface-tolerant and abrasion-resistant solution ideal for patch repairs on surfaces prone to extreme abrasion and erosion.